We are going to solve this another very interesting Leetcode question, which is 2 sum second. Actually, this question is very similar to another Leetcode question whose name is also 2 sum. The only difference between these two questions are, in this question we have to return the index starting from 1, and in that question we have to return index starting from 0. So suppose the output is 2 and 7, so we have to return index starting from 1. So here for second we will return 1 as its index, and for 7 we will return second as its index. So in this question actually we have to find out whether any of this element will add up and return this as an output. So suppose we have to find out whether any of the element combined and give the sum as 9. So we can see here 2 plus 7 will return 9, so we will return its index. So, and in this question we do not have to start index with 0, so we are going to start index with 1, so we are going to return 1 and 2 as an output. So let's start and solve this question in an optimized way. So what we are going to do here, first we will create a dictionary object here, and we will going to loop around this array, but we will going to do it in an optimized way. So we will create a dictionary object first and then iterate over this array. So for I in range 0 to len of numbers. So we are going to iterate over the entire length of an array. We will create a temp object which will be target minus . So what we are doing here is, suppose I is, for the first iteration I will be 0, okay. So temp will be target, which is 9, and numbers of 0. So what is numbers of 0? Numbers of 0 is 2. So 9 minus 2, which is equal to 7. So then it will going to check a if condition, if temp in dictionary, okay. So if temp is present in dictionary, then it will just going to return the index, okay. Let's see the else part first. If temp is not present in the dictionary, because for the first iteration temp is not present in the dictionary, in dictionary is empty for now, right? So for the first iteration it will just going to append that numbers of I into our dictionary, okay, and it will also going to append its index. But in this question we have to return the index starting from 1, means we have to increment our index with 1, okay. And for the second iteration when I will be 1, then numbers of 1 will be 7, 0 and 1, okay. So numbers of 1 will be 7. So 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. And now when the if condition will execute, it will going to enter in if condition, because we just added 2 into our dictionary. So it will going to enter the if condition, and we will just going to increment our index and return it, okay. So we will going to increment our index temp, okay, and we will also going to increment our index and return it. So you can see that this is the output, and it is working very fine. So if you like this question, please subscribe, like and comment. And if you want to check that another Leetcode question to sum the first, then the link is in my description box. Please check it. Thank you so much.